So
Yeah.
the first question is that what inspired you to guide the students in the competitive exam, mainly IPS, IAS, and all that?
Yes. First of all, first thing was since I am also from a small place in Tumkur district, many of the students who are from rural background and small towns, although they are very talented, but they lack guidance. They don't know what to do next. So that's the first thing. So I realized that there is that gap is there. So we need to provide guidance to the students. That was the first thing. So that's when I quit and got into guidance and a career counselor. Then I realized there is a lot of scope in government sector where many talented students who actually want to serve the society can do it with full authority. If they become IS officer, they have the control over entire district. So they can do a lot more good works when they have power in their hands. So that's students towards IAS, IPS and various other government jobs so that they can go to the position and do a better service to the society and to the country.
Excellent, excellent. So now, anybody who wish to apply for UPSC, what is the starting point, sir?
Yeah, to apply, there are some basic conditions. The first condition is about educational qualifications. So anybody who is a graduate, that is anybody who has done a degree, say BA, BSc, BCom, engineering, medical, paramedical, any degree is fine. Any degree which is recognized by our central university, that is Indian government. So they are eligible. Whether they do it through regular or correspondence degrees also, they are eligible. That is the first condition, education wise. Age wise, minimum age is 21 years. So aspirants should have completed 21 years and then they can apply. So these two are the main conditions to apply. And there is also a maximum age limit for general category. The candidate should be less than 32 years of age. So between 21 and 32, they can apply.
Oh, what an incredible bite and nuggets you have shared with us. So now the
Yeah.
follow-up question is, how does it truly take to become an IAS officer from the academic standpoint, just because beyond the academic standpoint?
Yes, yes. The main thing is they should have a passion to serve the society. This is the main triggering point. If
Mhm.
somebody is very much passionate about the society, that's where actually they get motivated by themselves and then they start, preparing for these things. So connection with the society, that is the first thing. I can quote you one example. There was a IIT and topper called Kanishk Kateria who completed his study from IIT Bombay in computer science, and then he was working for Samsung in South Korea. Later on, he realized that although he was getting a good salary, but he wanted to do something for the society. Can you guess what was his salary when he resigned? Just guess.
I'm just giving a ballpark number, so maybe 20 lakhs per annum
Okay.
is a
He was
big
getting
number.
one crore per annum.
My goodness, five times higher
One
than what I quoted actually. Yeah.
he was drawing a salary of 1 crore per annum, but somewhere he felt I'm not doing justice to the society. What am I doing? I'm just sitting here in front of the machines and creating some software. Somewhere that inner calling was there for him. I should go back to my country and help the needy people. So he resigned his job at Samsung. He comes back to India and clears the UPSC examination in his first attempt and he gets all India rank 1.
My goodness, wonderful.
See, this is the power of motivation and the inspiration which is there with us. That's what matters a lot. So that is the first thing to begin with. Then to continue, definitely there should be discipline, there should be patience, there should be emotional strength and consistency. These things matter a lot.
Absolutely. You have
The starting point is inspiration, motivation. Then all these things come into picture.
excellent, excellent. Beautifully you have explained with the good
Yeah.
case studies, and think many people will take this as an inspiration, and they will become an IAS and IPS
Yes.
officers. So how is the how now when it comes to IAS one, isn't the exam is getting tougher, or what is the the current trend of the IAS exams and
Yeah.
so on?
Yeah. So nowadays, as day by day, the awareness is more because of awareness, because of internet technology. Everybody is getting to know about IAS, and you can see a lot of YouTube videos on IAS motivation. So most, more people of more number of candidates are getting motivated to give a try and become IAS. So number of applications, right, it is increasing. There are more applicants to the IAS jobs. So naturally, the competition is also increasing. Since the competition is also more, The question paper pattern is also getting tougher day by day. But given all these things, anybody with the right strategy can still clear this examination.
Excellent. Very beautifully you have said, sir. So